Well, good morning, everybody. This is Terry with Terry's Travels, and today I finally got my van cleaned out really well and got my mats and everything washed, and even went to the dollar store and bought a new one, a little rug. And anyway, so we're getting ready to, I'm getting ready to go on a couple of little trips. So I need to get everything back in my van and get it situated. But there was a couple of things that I wanted to show y'all that I bought, and I'm really kind of happy about those. So let's look at what I have to add to my little gadget collection. So the very first thing I want to show y'all are these lights right here. Y'all, these lights are really cool. As I said, I've had I bought fairy lights and I hung them, and they didn't do very well. They were very cheap and they didn't last very long. So I bought these multifunctional camping string lights. And anyway, it actually has a little handle that you can hang, like you can hang from an S-hook or something like that, whether it be in your tent, or in my case, it's going to be either in my tent or in my van. And it's got, let me see if I can get it to light up here. I don't know if you can see that or not. But I haven't gotten these strung. I am going to hanging these up here in just a little while. And I'm going to get them strung up. And then, let me see. I was trying to show you how it's, look how it lights up. So, I mean, it'll light up my whole van. And the little string lights will give me a little bit of low light if that's what I want. So I think I'm gonna be happy with this. I got this off of Amazon, and I'm gonna leave the link. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description so that y'all will have that. But these little multifunctional lights, I think, are gonna come in really, really handy, and I think they're gonna last me a while too. You know. The next thing that I wanted to show y'all is this little collapsible step stool. It says here that it'll hold up to 200 pounds. And it says use stool on flat or dry surface. And I'm thinking, you know, it could work really well, you know, if you needed to step up into the van. Or in my case, I have found that if I can sit on this in the van when I'm not using my chair, and I can kind of, twist and turn on this little thing. And it makes it really a lot easier for me. The chair pretty much is for like whenever I just want to relax and I'm watching a movie, or I've got my computer and I'm doing some editing. But y'all, this look, and it folds right up. That's pretty cool, right? And it fits nice and neat in my van. I mean, it takes up very, very little space. So this will also be in a link below, so that if you want to look at this, I don't think I paid but about $10 for it. And last but not least is this Workos flashlight. Y'all, of course, I lost a lot of footage. I lost a lot of my videos on an SD card, and I did a video at my last meetup, and I had this flashlight with me at the time. And so that, you know, you can walk around at nighttime and it lights the way. Man, this thing is like fabulous. I mean, it lights up. I don't know. I know it lights up my backyard and into the woods back there at nighttime because I've tried it. I've tried it out. I had to do a review on this one, but and then it's, you know, it's got the strap where you can hang it around your arm, and then you don't really have to worry about losing it. But y'all, this was wonderful right here. This thing was wonderful. So there's no surprises, because when we stayed where we stayed this last time, I think they said that the bear are common because we stayed in the Ocala National Park. But I would think this would be good, because when it lights up, it is so bright that it'll blind you if you shine it in somebody's eyes. So I wouldn't suggest doing that at all. But if you got a wild animal lurking around your campsite, this little jewel might come in handy. Look at my dog Oliver. He's soaking up some sunshine. Yeah, it's cold out here. Last night it got down to like 22. It was cold. It's a little bit warmer today, and at least the wind's not blowing, but yeah, he's taking in some sunshine. Okay, back to the van. So I don't know if you can see them very well or not, but I strung them up, and I put that little pod right there in that holder. And I need to find something to hang it up with, so I'm gonna have to find another one of these little S-hooks. I'm sure I got one in the house somewhere. But right now, I'm gonna get my van set up. So I'm gonna pack my van. I'm gonna let y'all watch me do that. Okay. I went on and got this lifetime table in here, put in here. Now I got this table at Walmart, and my van is 6 foot tall. 6 foot wide, and so I'm 5 foot tall. So I put my bed this way. All this extra space I use for my bed, and I kind of build this up on this side a little bit. And of course I put my pillows on this end. And so, but anyway, I went on and got this in here because, well, I just felt like it was best to do that. So I'm going to use these to cover up all of this right here, because when I roll stuff in and out of my van, it leaves big old scuff marks, and I don't like that at all. I like my van to stay nice and neat and clean and all that good stuff. So anyway, yep, we're getting started then. Okay, problem solved. I hung it from this S-hook, and I'm going to put my hat, and I'm going to hang it on the other S-hook over here. Or I'm going to have to dig around and look for some more. I know I've got some around my house somewhere. And I think these little S-hooks are going to come in handy, you know. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all. So these little straps under here, I bought these on Amazon, and anyway, they're crib sheet straps, you know, so that they'll stay on the mattress or whatever. And this just keeps my bed from, from sliding off the table. So, and it's very, very comfortable, y'all. So it's got memory foam under there. It's very comfortable. So, but anyway, okay, let's finish getting packed up. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right, I got this back in place. And I did put a blue tarp in here so that I can use that with my green rug. And so over here, I've got my toilet, my collapsible toilet, and everything I need for that in that little pink bag right there. And I did put some bungee cords up, and that keeps my stuff from sliding out. Those bungee cords I love bungee cords. But yeah, that'll keep my stuff from sliding forward. And so, but so far this is what I got going on. Let's pack some more. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take these plates out of here. smells a lot like work. Anyway, okay, so let me back up a little bit. There's my bed. And there, this is where I prop my feet. And that's a little throw. Let's come around here and look. And so, right now, this is what I got going on. I'm very happy with it. Here are my window shades. Got them tucked right there. I think that's a good place for them. And then these are my, this is my curtain rod. I brought that one. I don't usually use it, but just never know if I'm going to need it. So I'll bring it with me anyway. But anyway, got this going on. I got this right here. I usually use like these little bungee cords here. And I prop my my rod up on that, and I pull my black curtain from here, and so that works really, really well, so that I can have more privacy. I like that, you know, I like to have that curtain privacy. But right now, that's what I got going on. I'm just about through. I'm gonna walk in here and see what else I got left, and then I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna stack it right here along with this. And then kind of do it like this. And so far that's what I got going on. What do y'all think? Yeah. Looking good so far. I don't know if this is gonna work, because I got a refrigerator and or cooler that I like to put back here. So I'm not so sure that all of this is going to be able to fit right here. But I'm going to bring my Blue 80 out here in just a minute and just see if it's going to, how that's going to work. Okay, let me show you what I got. So my Blue 80 and my chair fits really nicely right there. And I know that I've got room for my refrigerator right here. The cooler is questionable. I'm not sure about that. But somehow or another, we'll make that work. We may have to turn it one way or the other, but we'll make it work. But my sister gave me these placemats, and I was trying to theme my van, you know, maybe not theme it, but to decorate it a little bit. And I do like pink flamingos, among other things. But anyway, I thought I'd wash these and maybe iron them and hang those right there. And then I have this little table runner that I've got draped over that. What do y'all think about that? Give me some thoughts. And I found a place to put my bungee cords inside this tub right here. So, and if we walk around, there's Oliver. He's just enjoying the day, isn't he? Then my table will fit nicely right here. So I think I've got everything kind of situated. The room that I have back behind here is where I will store my drinks and maybe my shower bag. I don't know. Usually I put my shower bag up front, so I just might do that. But my shower bag and all my clothes usually go up front right here. But I've got plenty of room here, and then I've got plenty of room right through here to use. And that way it opens up. Then I have all sorts of space, y'all. So, I mean, look at all that space that I have. I have plenty of room to move around in here. I like that. So, and then the foods that I bring, I usually store my dry goods in this tub over here, you know, and then, because I've got cookware in there too. So I've got my electric skillet and stuff like that in there. But anyway, I will definitely make it work. And then, let me see. I showed y'all these the other day. Very proud of those. Very, very, very proud of those. So I'll put those on my van and hope that they don't fly off. And so this is what I got going on right now. Okay, another quick little look. I'm going to take my table runner and my other things that I'm going to decorate with. I'm going to take them inside, wash them, and then maybe iron them. And so that I can use them in here and decorate a little bit, you know. So, yep, this is it for now. Oh, yeah, I've been cleaning in here a little bit, too. So, I like to travel in a clean van. So, I went online, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to theme the inside of my van with pink flamingos. At least for now. So I've found some bedding and some and a curtain that I can use on the outside of my van when I have the tail, when I have the back up. I can hang a curtain from there to kind of get a little bit of some privacy. And but it's all pink flamingo themed, so that'll be fun. And yeah, now I can decorate a little bit. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all being here with me. I enjoyed making this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. And yeah, every once in a while, I just have to do a really good clean out. And once I get all my stuff on the porch, I go through it and make coal, or I add to, or whatever. But it gives me the opportunity to do that once I clean out my van. So, but anyway, everything's back in there. It's nice and neat, and it feels good. It smells good. And it's ready for another adventure. I'm ready for another adventure. I don't know how. I'm ready to go now. But in any case, thank y'all for being here, and thanks for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next video.